Today we're going to talk about trail lunches. Hey Jeepers, I'm Tammy, aka Jeep Momma, and today we're going to be talking about trail meals, trail lunches. Specifically, how to tackle lunchtime when you're miles away from civilization. A good off-road adventure demands proper fueling, and lunch on the trail can make a big difference. Here are some handy tips and tasty ideas to keep your spirits high and energy up. What's your lunch tip?
Our lunch tip is to buy it pre-packaged.
Easy.
Minimal effort.
Amen.
Keep it simple and portable. Do you have any lunch tips for the trail?
Buy it pre-made, even the hard-boiled eggs.
I always wondered how they tasted. Are they just like regular?
Yeah.
Tastes like you made it at home. And there's your pre-made sandwich.
Pre-made sandwich.
Do you guys have any good trail?
Simple and easy.
Simple and easy.
Cheese.
Meat and cheese. Stay hydrated. Carry plenty of water and pack extra in case of unexpected delays or emergencies on the trail. What'd you guys bring for lunch?
We brought fruit,
Yep, that looks good.
Subway sandwiches,
Oh,
cheese and crackers, and chips, basically.
so you took like kind of the middle of the road. You
Yes.
got a sandwich, but you still cut your own stuff up.
Yes.
Food safety is important. Use insulated coolers to store perishable items. Freeze those water bottles overnight to double as ice packs. They even make smaller portable fridges. There's a link in the description below. In colder weather, consider warm meals. They can boost morale, especially on those chilly days. A portable camping stove or jet boil can quickly heat up soups or chili. Even cooking on your Jeep engine is an option. Check out my video, Cooking a Sammy on Your Jeep Engine, in the description below. When you're exploring those trails and finding yourself miles from anywhere, choosing the perfect lunch spot can make your adventure even better. So you have tip number one for lunch.
Tip number one for me, if it's a hot day for lunch, find shade.
Absolutely have to have shade.
It's kind of hard out here in Wyoming to do that.
Yeah, especially in the Badlands. Look for creeks, find trees, you might get some shade.
And don't forget your camp chair. Just prepackaged everything, simple and easy.
Yes.
And shaded chairs.
Luxury supply.
It's good stuff.
What is that? That looks really good.
It's a salad and a cheese ball.
A cheese ball.
Cheese ball. Mediterranean cheese ball.
As a seasoned off-roader, I'm dedicated to staying healthy for all my future adventures. However, healthy eating on the trail isn't a quick convenience. It's about planning, prepping, and a bit of smart research. And that Mediterranean salad looks good. What is it?
So she made a balsamic vinegar dressing. There's cottage cheese, sunflower seeds. This is a pork that we roasted here a little while ago. Some greens and tomatoes.
Beets.
Green beans. And then hard-boiled egg.
Yeah, I got my hard-boiled egg and my chicken salad and broccoli salad.
Nice.
And you look like you're being healthy too. What that is that a tortilla?
This is Ezekiel bread pita.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. And I took vegan mayonnaise and put pesto in it.
Oh.
Yeah. And then I roasted some zucchini and portobello mushrooms this morning, and then I'll put I think it's an arugula and a butter salad, butter lettuce mix, onion, tomato, artichokes on here. Yeah.
That looks good. Now that looks like something I want to eat. Chips
Peanut butter banana sandwich.
and peanut butter banana. Salads with lots of veggies are a good, healthy choice for lunch. But don't forget the protein. I think you have a tip.
I do.
A lunch tip.
So we hiked the Morrison Jeep Trail.
Right.
We
Hiked.
filmed. Elaine and I hiked it and filmed our Jeeps coming up the trail. And I had packed a salad that day. So I learned the hard way that when you're going to be out on the trail doing a lot of walking, you don't want just a salad. You want protein.
Right.
So
And
now
that
I have
looks like
protein.
tuna.
Yes.
That looks
I brought
really good.
protein this time. I am not going to get caught with just a salad again.
Hard-boiled eggs are a great addition, and other protein sources like tuna, chicken, and beans, they all keep you feeling satisfied and energized on the trail. A little prep goes a long way towards enhancing your trail adventures. Share your lunch trail tips in the comments below.
And sir, or ma'am, what are you doing for lunch?
Her tip is to bring her own personal fan and water bowl.
There you go. Okay, Fifi, enjoy your cool fan.
For more Jeep tips and how-tos, click the subscribe button and check out my blog at www.jeepmomma.com.